Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for lovebirds. First, let's talk about their home. A lovebird's cage should be at least 18 inches by 18 inches by 18 inches, providing ample space for flight and play. Next, their diet is crucial. Offer a high-quality pellet mix, supplemented with fresh vegetables and a small amount of fruit daily. Always ensure they have access to clean, fresh water for both drinking and bathing. Creating the right environment is key for happy lovebirds. Keep their room temperature stable, ideally between 65 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure their comfort. Mental stimulation is vital, so provide a variety of safe toys for them to chew, climb, and play with. Also, include perches of different textures and diameters to promote good foot health and prevent pressure sores. Monitoring your lovebird's health is essential. Schedule annual checkups with an avian veterinarian to catch any potential issues early. Daily observation is also important. Look for any changes in their appetite, droppings, or overall behavior, as these can indicate illness. Lovebirds are highly social creatures. They thrive on interaction, whether it's with you through daily handling and talking, or with a compatible lovebird companion. Let's discuss diet and safety. Never feed your lovebird avocado, chocolate, or caffeine, as these are highly toxic and can be fatal. When your lovebird is out of its cage, always supervise them closely to prevent accidents or escapes. Ensure windows are closed and other pets are secured. For more great tips and to make your own meal prep easier, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.